Okay, so while digging around the new mothership, we found some treasures, and I'm just not sure what to do with these treasures. Maybe you could help me figure this out, because I sure in the heck am not bright enough up here to figure this out. So let me show you what we found, and maybe we could work together to see if they'll go up on the mothership. Only time will tell, and this video hopefully gets to show you. Yeah, we found these here. Here, I'm gonna show you what they are in just a second. All right, we have this one. We have two of these ones here. This looks like an RV and boat sunshade company with a phone number. And then we have this one. So we're gonna see what these do in just 1 second. Now this one unfolds, so I imagine this one, I can kind of imagine where this one goes, but I'm not quite sure. And it comes with some smaller ones like this, which I'm kind of certain where they go. Then again, I guess time will tell, and this video will tell. By golly, I think I figured this out. So what this is, since there's an awning on this motorhome, we have half a window here, a window here, a large window in the front, as all of you seen on my last video, and then we have a sunshade for this window. It's one piece. So I'm gonna see what I could do. Well, first off, Maria and my dad said we should put some Vaseline on these. So I'm gonna do that to make sure they snap easy and well. And I'm gonna show you, I have my ladder ready, and I'm gonna show you what they look like after it's all done.
You're up there, do the other side, so we gotta keep going back and forth.
All right, so we got this one on. Looks pretty good. It's gonna block a lot of the sunlight. And we have this one on. This is going to keep it a lot cooler inside the motor home. But on that whole stack, there was something extra special. And all of that stack that I showed you in the beginning of this video, there was something extra special. Here's some ripped tire covers. These are some mirror covers that will not fit the Newmar. There's my big foot. And this is a Coleman grill cover that's gonna go into the garbage. All right, so I got them all on. This Florida heat's driving me crazy sometimes, the humidity down here. I'm gonna warn you, you gotta use some strength for these dumb things, these shades. Yeah, a lot of strength. Took me, that front windshield was pretty rough. So let me show you all of them together. All right, that's the final product. Sorry about the shortness of this video, but hey, it's a quick DIY that I learned from, that these things shrink or something happens. There's one grommet that I couldn't get on at all, so I used a little button Velcro that I might have to replace because it was used. So that's the end of this video. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the alert buttons below, hit the subscribe button. I plan on getting some more frequent videos up as soon as I can. Between writing fiction and doing this, it's quite a daunting task. So thanks a lot for stopping by. We will see you very, very soon.